Hi everyone, welcome to Hesai's tutorial videos. Sometimes you change the IP configurations of Lidar, but you may forget it, and then you can't connect to the Lidar or see the point cloud. In this video, I will show you how to find the Lidar IP. First, connect the Lidar directly to a computer. That Lidar should be the only Lidar connected to avoid possible issues from switches, routers, or other devices. There are two conditions. In the first condition, you can't visit the Lidar webpage using the IP address, but you're still receiving Lidar packets. It's easy to find the Lidar IP in this case. Launch Wireshark. Double-click the correct interface. The destination is broadcast, which is why we can still receive the point cloud packets. It's easy to find the Lidar IP from the source IP, 172.168.156. Check current computer IP setting. It's not the same network segment as the Lidar. Configure the computer IP address to be within the same network segment as the Lidar. Then check again. Open browser and visit this IP address. Now you can see the Lidar webpage. You can open the settings page to reconfigure the IP settings. Here, I will reset the Lidar IP to our default settings. You can change the IP settings according to your needs and save the changes at the bottom of the page. In the second condition, you can't visit the Lidar webpage and you aren't receiving point cloud packets. In this case, keep monitoring using Wireshark, and in the meantime, restart the Lidar. Then, you may be able to see some ARP packets, like this. From the information field, the device is asking who has the IP address of 100. Tell IP address of 29. That's for the Lidar looking for the destination IP address from the network. So we can guess the IP address of 172.168.329 should be Lidar IP address, and 100 should be the destination IP address. Check current computer IP settings. It's not the destination IP address and not within the same network segment. Now we can change the computer IP address to the destination IP. Check again. After changing the IP address of the computer, now we can see the point cloud packets on Wireshark. Open browser and input Lidar IP. We can now visit the Lidar webpage. The Lidar is properly connected and we can change the Lidar IP settings in the settings page. Alright, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.